Welcome to my hair tutorial. Welcome to my hair tutorial. I'm having flashbacks from my baby girl did her hair tutorial with her braids. I miss filming with her. I miss filming with the family. But today is another hair tutorial. So if you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley. Nice to meet you. I am going to be rocking this beautiful long straight wig. This one comes courtesy of Julia Hair, and you guys know I love rocking with this company. They did send over one of these. This is the strip scarf that you can tie your edges around, and it is kind of like a ombre effect on it, so that's really cute. They also sent over some, I'm all loud, wig caps, and then the adjustable strap to go inside the wig, which I might put in before I bond it down. And this is the wig herself. Let me go ahead and show you what the inside construction of the cap looks like. I'm rocking today, I think it'll be fun to actually keep it straight, but instead of doing a parting, doing like a no parting, you know, like arrogante vibes. You guys know I love that, man. So it did come set with some baby hair, and I love that because that'll make it simple and easy. Behind the baby hair, it is a little bit more on the full side, so of course you can go in and pluck, tweeze, whatever you need to do. Also, I do notice that the wig itself does not match my complexion, so we are going to go ahead and tint the lace before we install.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Okay, so the wig is installed. The wig is installed. There's nothing better, no better feeling than the install process being done. We're gonna do some baby hair right now. I'm actually gonna take some sparse pieces like so and trim them super short and see if I can do some baby hair that way. Okay, so we are installed. I'm going to do a little powder along the hairline once I'm done. I kind of want to do something fun, but then I feel like it's kind of childish to do like ponytails. I could also do a ponytail, but again, you don't get a lot of parting space. So I don't want it to be like, you see how here is capped, so it doesn't come far over here. I think this is as wide as we can go. So the ponytail will literally have to be like this short, or not short, but narrow. I'm gonna go ahead and do a center parting, add some heat protectants. I'm gonna use Tresemme today. Let's get to styling and see if we want to add like some layers, some goddess braids, or what we want to do after the straight. Okay, so we are done with the install. This was actually very easy, simple. The wig didn't give me any problems. The only thing I did extra today was tweeze out the hairline a little bit. If you want to go behind the hairline and make it a little bit more gradient, obviously that is an option. I'm going to give it a little bit of a 1-2. Oh, I got my face. At first the hairline was a little bit more on the powdery bright side, and that kind of brought it down a little bit. I kind of contemplated just bumping the ends really quickly, or should I do like a braid? Okay, I actually made this one thicker, but that's okay. Okay, never mind, I don't like it. Not with this wig at least. I do want to see if this one can hold a curl. I'm not gonna do like the away curls. I'm just gonna bump the ends. Hopefully I don't regret this. Okay, it definitely does a cute little curl. And I'm just gonna do the ends. Okay, best decision ever. Absolutely love it with the curls. Now obviously these are just like the ends bumping. I remember when I used to work for the law firm, I was a receptionist and I like to look presentable. Obviously I'm at the front desk, so a lot of times when I want to curl my hair, this was kind of like my cheat sheet. I would do something like this, add a little hairspray and let them drop on their own and be good to go. So it's kind of nice to go back to my roots and do my little cheat style. It adds a little bit of personality and texture to the hair, because again, it's bone straight, so of course these are gonna drop, especially because I didn't use any holding spray. So it's cool to just have a little bit of something going in. When they drop, you know, it's still fine. This is like the ultimate level 1 beginner friendly style, because you know, you're only doing the ends, you're not committing to the whole thing, and they're easy to achieve. Just add a little bit of hairspray at the ends if you want to give it a little bit of hold. Again, this one did come from Julia Hair. You guys know I love working with this company because I work with them often. Be sure to check them out. I do have a link to this wig in the description box. Also, I have a list including links to everything I used to complete this look. I'm Ashley Bedeck if you're tuning in for the first time. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches!